Hello and welcome to Business Prime Time. Well, moving on from that, large investors are betting on safer investment havens like gold, pushing the price of the precious metal to record levels. But that may not mean good news for India's largest jewellery retailer, Geetanjali Gems, which is expecting a dip in volumes. Shivani Desai has this report.
With gold prices zooming to record levels each day, it seems to have lost its silver lining for the Indian consumer. India's largest retailer expects a 10 to 15% fall in volumes. Geetanjali Gems had planned to add 400 retail outlets to the 3,600 points of sale across India. That plan, though on track, seems to have lost luster because of the high gold prices.
Well, the degrowth will not survive because the gold imports have been more already into the country, more in the quantity. And this is a very seasonal time, that particular month when the price really roofs up or goes up so much, it slows down a bit.
Gold prices have appreciated by more than 30% this year. And though India's gold consumption in the last quarter had grown by 38% compared to the previous year to 248 tons, analysts are expecting the volumes to drop this quarter given the furious run of the yellow metal.
Some of these stocks will take a beating because eventually which are into core jewelry segment will have a little bit of slowdown. Numbers will not look very interesting. Profitability will get dampened.
Though volumes of gold jewelry could see some decline for now, companies are hoping that the festive season will add glitter to gold sales once again. In Mumbai, Shivani Desai for NDTV Profit.
That's all we have time for in this edition of Business Prime Time. Coming up next is all about ads. Stay with us for that. I'm Anjana Menon. Thank you for watching.